Medical grade gel adhesive squares soothe, cool and protect. Hypoallergenic, latex-free and non-medicated, these hydrogel squares can be used for scrapes, cuts and burns. Made mostly from water so the dressings will not stick to the skin for painless removal. Ideal for use in clinics, training rooms and first aid kits. 200 gel squares, non-sterile. 1 inch x 1 inch, 2.5 cm by 2.5 cm. Top reviews from the United States. Best thing I've ever found for burns, blisters and boo-boos. My 9-year-old son will tell you, these are pure magic. Put one on, and the pain completely disappears. Seriously. I remembering trying one once on a burn, and being astounded when the pain went away. They disappeared from the pharmacy I used, but I dug them up here on Amazon and stocked up. The little squares in a jar are great for smaller boo-boos, blisters, etc. And stay fresh longer than the bigger packs. The bigger packs are good for knees, elbows and larger burns. I tell the kids, if they dry out and get sticky, you only need to run them under water to get them off. This is for after things heal or the next day, whichever comes first. Lol, but seriously, they're only made of water, so using water to rehydrate and remove is ideal and so easy. Painless. We use these on everything. If I could give 10 stars, I would.